Greetings to everyone on this platform. Today we are going to look at another KIVEA tutorial, which is a demonstration on how to manage your shop from the KIVEA Vendor Dashboard. Remember the last time we saw the demonstration on how to log into the vendor dashboard and actually saw some of the features at a glance of the dashboard. Today we are going to go in detail to see what those features stand for. And we have all the features in KIVEA are contained in all of these tabs, because when you click on each tab you are going to navigate to any of the features you want based on what you want to do. So these tabs contain the features and also the tools you are going to use to be successful in business online. So the first section we want to see is the home tab, and the home tab you have different subsections, and these sections are a group of options you are going to see. So the first block is the user initials block. The user initials block actually have information about the user. Firstly, it has the user's profile pic, and to change it you can simply go to profile and you change it. You have the welcome to KIVEA dashboard. You have the name of the user. If the user is a standard verified user, which means he has been legally proven to exist, then you have brand verification users here. So you also have the number of products in the shop that are expressed here. And you see these are 10 products out of unlimited products, because KIVEA restricts the number of products per account based on your subscription plan. If you subscribe for unlimited products, you will have unlimited product as well as unlimited storage, which means this one is 10 products out of unlimited products. And you see this is the space uses. KIVEA also have the space capacity to dedicate to every vendor based on the plan you subscribed, and this one is 0.05 megabyte of unlimited space. So this one is given to companies doing wholesales, have unlimited space to display their products. And now we go to the second group, the second block, which is the financial summary block or the income summary block. With the income summary block, you have the gross sales this month, you have the earnings this month, you have the items sold for this month, and you have orders received this month. For the gross sales, you have the total amount of money sold, and this is the earnings, the total earning this month, which means the total amount of sales this month minus the KIVEA's commission, because for every purchase there will always be a commission that KIVEA will return for transaction, for managing the platform as well as managing the affiliate marketers. The amount earning is the amount that the vendor is going to take home. So we are going to the next block, which is the weekly sales, the daily, weekly or daily sales report. And it is going to show you a report in graphs as per the quantity of sales or the sales that were done within this month. And you see this is the sales by date, which means today is the 24th of September. You are going to see the sales that you made from 1st of September to the 24th of September 2020. So we are going to see another block, which is contain two other items, which are the store analytics. Store analytics means you want to see how many people are interacting with your shop in the periodically up to date. So you are going to see September, the graphs was September 28th, the graphs was high. You had 27 people who viewed your shop, and you see here you have 10 people. On the 28th, 20th, 22nd, 22nd, and the 20th, 22nd, you have 9 views, and you have every statistics of how people are interacting with your shop. And you have another block here, which is sales by product, which is actually giving you the number of products, the products that were sold within a particular period of time, and in colors. And this one is represented in colors. You will have the e-governance t-shirt was bought. You see the digital affiliate t-shirt was bought, which is 1. You have the digital affiliate, Go Digital Affiliate T-shirt. Another one which was bought is one. And you also have the standard premium exhibition space, which was bought, and it's only one product was purchased from that category. And you will see the explanation, the explanation of these colors here. Everyone, I want to call your attention that KIVEA has your online business covered. So we are going to move to another block, which is actually the notification block. And the notification block, you see all the notifications concerning the products that are purchased here, and you can go to show all to see the list of every notification, as well as the inquiries. You can see people that goes to your shop and they are inquiring to get information about your shop, and you can reply to those inquiries. Now you see the store stats here. The store stats is actually the number of products that are sold here. You see, this is in 7 days this product was sold, and it's the top seller products in these 7 days. So it shows you the number of products that were highly sold, that were highly very valuable in the market. So you are going to see orders that are processing 0, orders that are awaiting fulfillment, which are awaiting shipment. You have 9 products that are awaiting shipment or delivery. And the products that are low in stock, you see 0 products. And the products that are out of stock, you see the products are here. So it actually gives you the information and the status of your business, because you know that for you to be effective in business, the level of management you dedicate in business determine the outcome of what you will achieve. If you take lesser care for your business, you actually achieve less results. And if you take proper care of your business, you actually achieve proper results. So KIVEA helps you to have a track of your business at a particular period in time. So thank you everyone, and stay tuned for more updates are coming. Remember to get to us through our social media pages and ask any question you want. We will attend to you. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.